Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Gardening Tips and Tricks. In this video I will discuss with you how you can easily grow hollyhock plant at your home and get a lots of bunch of flowers within few days. So in this video I will cover that how to care, what amount of plenty sunlight it will require for your plant to get a bunch of flowers, to get a bunch of growth and healthy stems and buds. So in this video you have to wait to see that what growth my plant get after caring by following these 5 or 6 tips that you can apply in your plant to get a lots of flower on your plant during February to March months or even April months. You can easily get a lots of flowers in this plant. So be with me, be in this video, and let's start it. Step 1. So you can grow these hollyhock plants easily from seeds. I don't know about how you can grow from cuttings, but most probably I know that you can easily grow these beautiful plants through seeds. They grow very rapidly and quickly when you will grow them from seeds. So these plants are very remain healthy and give a faster growth when you grow them within season. You will get a lots of flowers from this one stem, or you can say from one bunch, because it gives a lot of buds. You can observe from here, you can see that one after another they get ready to give a blossoms to you and make your garden more beautiful forever. So up to the mark they will remain, they will always try to give a lot of flowers in their branches. So if you are ready to grow these plants in your garden, then you can easily start it from seeds. Step 2. You should prepare the soil. You can see you should prepare the soil properly. For hollyhock you can prepare a well drainage soil. You can see I have prepared this soil by 50% home garden soil, 20% compost, 20% other mixtures, and 10% or 15% sand. You can mix with this ratio and plant it in your garden soil properly by following the mixtures. You are going to get a lot of blooms, a lot of better growth and development in your plant within few months. So let's move to the step 3. Step 3 will be the care or the fertilizer the plant will need to give its overall growth and development in its upcoming days. So these plants most probably gives their growth in one or few 2 months. You can say it's take about 2 to 3 months to give its upcoming full developments. So it needs almost 2 months to bring its growth, to give its shoots, leaves more bigger and more healthier. So these are the few 3 steps you can follow for your hollyhock plant to get a better bunch of growth. So the fertilizer, if you say in the step 3, if you want to give it natural fertilizer, you can go for cow dung cake fertilizer or mustard cake fertilizer during summer months, or when the temperature remain within 30 degrees Celsius. You can apply the mustard cake or cow dung compost. Otherwise, if your area's temperature is more higher than this degree means 30 degrees Celsius, then you should avoid this to give it your plant. Otherwise this will going to destroy the plant roots, and probably it will harms to your plant's growth as well as its shoots, stems, and most importantly its roots. Because if its roots get destroyed or get harmed, then the whole plant you will see started dying. So you should know how to care these plants properly, and most probably how to get a better knowledge and a better blooms properly. So these 3 steps are very crucial in the you can say in the growth and development sector. But the step 4 is the most important one, because step 4 will be important in this regard. You will understand by going to the next move. Step 4. So the next step will be the step 4, that is sunlight. Yes, sunlight is also very important factor that always remain in a plant's healthy growth, healthy well development and well-being, um, blooming. So always in case of flowering plant or any vegetable, sunlight is very important. So you should keep it in your mind that whenever you are growing hollyhock plant or any other flowering plant or vegetables, you should give at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight each and every day if it is possible. Because when a plant will get enough amount of sunlight, then their photosynthesis process will enhance them to give more growth and a healthier plant look. So this is very important for its blooming too, because whatever fertilizer you are giving, it should be able to uptake it. Otherwise, if it avoid to take it, then you will not be able to get a bunch of flowers to get a bunch of flowers in your plants. So you should keep it in your mind that you have to provide it at least 5 to 6 hours of daily sunlight for its better growth and better well-being development. So let's move to the next step, that is step 5 is the disease. Yes, mostly we know that flowering plants or any vegetables also face a lots of disease factor, and nowadays it's become very common because the weather rapid changes and uneven climatic effect even bring a slower growth to your plants, and also it invite to the new bugs, pests and other diseases. So you have to apply, if you love to apply to your plant natural fertilizer, you can apply it neem oil, or you can apply other beneficial fertilizers, or you can say pesticides, insecticides like super sonata fertilizer, that also apply it. I am saying that as a fertilizer because it also helpful for your growth, as well as it also work as an insecticide for your plant. So it's very useful if you apply it through liquid fertilizer, as use it as a liquid fertilizer. You can spray it in the leaves or even the backside, even if you see any disease in the backside of the leaves, so you can easily apply it on the backside of the leaves. So you will get a lots of beneficiality, or you can say lots of helpfulness through these steps. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.